What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about these guys, box turtles. Because I get a lot of questions from you guys in the comments about how to find box turtles, where to find box turtles, what the best condition is to find box turtles. And it came to my attention there's a lot of unaddressed things and facts and tips and tricks and everything about box turtles that have not been addressed yet. Or that aren't really addressed a lot at all. I've seen a lot of things posted on Facebook about their range and moving them from side to side on the roads and not picking them up and taking them home as pets and everything else like that. So in today's video, that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about these little guys, their importance to the ecosystem, and overall just some facts to really show you guys how cool these guys actually are, because they're amazing. Alright, so this is a box turtle that Lucas found earlier today out in his driveway, or actually right over here. Well, not in that area. But you guys are asking a lot of questions about where to find box turtles, conditions to find box turtles.
Rain.
And yeah, you're looking at it. I mean, just look. When it's raining like this, box turtles are out on the road like crazy. It's ridiculous. And the reasoning is I mean, this isn't like scientific facts. It's the only kind of logical thing that I can come up with on why herps are out on the road so much during the rain, is because there's a lot of earthworms that just get drawn to the roads whenever it rains, and it's like a buffet. So yeah, if you guys are wanting to find these turtles, go out and drive some country back roads or roads that aren't really highly trafficked if you're not living in a really kind of country area. And just cruise the roads and you will see these guys.
Because that's the third one that I've seen today.
That's the third one that Luke's seen today.
Somehow the other two got away from me.
Probably going to see a lot more of these guys today for sure.
Hopefully.
The other thing is that whenever you guys find these turtles in the road, like say you're driving along and old Stumpy here is just kind of sitting here on the edge of the road, and you're cruising along, you go up and get them. What do we normally want to do as people? Keep them as pets.
Do not do that.
Do not do that, because here's the thing. A, when you run across a turtle on the road, see, whatever way he's pointing,
he's going to keep going that way.
That's the way you need to take him. So you need to take him over here where there's no concrete and let him go. And then he'll keep on going. Fun fact, I'm not making this up. If you find a box turtle and he's facing this way, and you take him and you put him over this way, they will turn around and go back the other way.
They're stubborn.
100% of the time. Because the thing is, with these box turtles, and this is why you only want to move them, you know, vertically like this, you don't want to really take them up the roadways or anything else like that, because these guys only travel a mile radius
from where they're born.
So, for all you know, he could be right here. This is that mile line, right? So say you take him over here and move him over in the woods over here. Guess what? Now it sounds stupid, but it's true. Now they become stressed because they're not in their area they call home. So what he will do is he will wander around aimlessly until he finds, now he might head back that way and then realize it's home. I don't know if it's a sixth sense or something that they have. It's ridiculous. But if he doesn't, they will just walk around stressed out. They will not eat. They will not sleep. They will just, their sole mission is to find home. And they end up dying, stressed out, beyond belief, starving, and probably just needing sleep. It's a horrible end for these guys if they were to die in that kind of situation and that condition. Another cool thing about these guys is that if you think that I'm hurting them at all by handling them this way, not at all. These guys are called box turtles for a reason.
Unless you like chuck him off a bridge or something.
Yeah, I mean, unless you chuck them off the bridge, and then it's really bad.
Tortoise leg.
Yeah, right. But called box turtles for a reason. They have this hinge here.
Did he just poop?
I don't know. No, I think it was a leaf.
Oh.
They have this hinge here that apparently just found out that they don't get until later on in life. Like when they're first born, they don't have that.
Go check out our previous video with the baby box turtle for that.
We found a baby box turtle. It's a video called, I'll leave a note, and you guys can go check that out, where we found a baby box turtle. We had no idea what it was.
And a snapping turtle on the turret.
Yeah.
Weird day.
It was a very weird day. But also, it's also a male. You can tell that because they had this huge indent right here on the shell. And they use that because when they have a female, I wish we had another one so I could actually give you guys an example.
That other one I found was a female set.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
So like say this is the other turtle. Well, when he goes up there to mount, now it fits perfectly. Fits like a glove. The females don't have that, so they can't mount.
Other
They would, but you know. Unlike us humans, turtles know if they're male or female. They don't have to pick and choose, and they're not confused about that. But yeah, so these guys are just absolutely fantastic. And whenever they have babies, this is another crucial thing, is why you don't want to take these guys out of their environment and keep them as pets, or put them outside of their little mile radius and they become stressed out and die in these horrible conditions. And you don't want to run over them. You don't want to do that, because these guys, when they mate, they only have one. They only have one. So this guy is going to carry on his generation. And if you kill one, or remove it and it's stressed out and dies, try to keep it as a pet, and
it's
it dies.
Huge.
It doesn't seem like it because it's just one, but it is a huge hit
to the population.
Yeah, to the population and future populations of these guys. Okay.
Oh, look at his eyes.
Yeah, and the way you can also tell a male and a female apart is their eyes. The males will have that kind of bloodshot red, and the females kind of have a lighter tan, can be olive, can be kind of brownish. It varies, but with the males it's almost always
red.
And this is kind of a lighter colored red, but his colors are absolutely ridiculous. That's the thing about box turtles that's really awesome too, is, you know, their outside shells basically look the same across the board.
Except this one's got beautiful colors everywhere.
Yeah, but inside, what those shells hold inside, you guys can see just with the top of the head, is beauty. So it's almost like Christmas morning whenever these guys come out. That's why I love it when they actually do come out, because you never know how vibrantly yellow they might be. They might be a really bright orange.
Christmas in June.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. You know, buddy.
Ready to let this guy go?
Yeah.
Such a beautiful turtle.
Cute. You're really pretty. Ready to go back home? Look at that pattern on top of the head. That is just insane.
I don't think I've ever seen one this orange. It's usually mostly black
It
dominated.
is. It is a lot of the times mostly black. Oh.
He's being brave now.
He's flying. He does. That's the thing. It's this sense that he has now, is that because he's moving, he thinks he's on the ground because he feels something under him. So he's trying to bolt,
but failing.
Look at that yellow. Now he's being real good. You're being a real good boy.
Such a beautiful turtle.
Amazing. All right, we're going.
How much you want to bet he's gonna try to bolt?
What's crazy is, look at these front legs. See those?
And then look how dull his back legs are, and they went up inside.
Look how dull those back legs are.
Compared to that, that's
That
insane.
is ridiculous. This is technically, you could call it a
piebald, maybe?
I was going to say tricolor, but you got the red eyes, the black, and the yellow, and then you got the brown, so it's a quad colored.
That's
which
awesome.
is really, really cool.
And we have two species of box turtles in Tennessee. The three-toed and the eastern.
And the eastern. So.
He was facing the other way.
Oh, he's facing the other way?
Yeah. Right there.
There you go, buddy.
Well.
And now he's going to get his bearings.
And then he's going to bolt.
And then he'll bolt and go off and do his own thing.
Like that other one did.
But yeah, so basically, guys, these creatures are so misunderstood in the simple fact that the importance of their overall species and the role that they play in the ecosystem is not really addressed as much. They're more viewed as a wild animal that you think box turtle, you automatically think that. But that's not really the case. So now that you guys know what you know, go out there and cruise some roads in the rain and you know, save a turtle's life.